Today, the Iowa Supreme Court ruled that there is no state constitutional right to an abortion. The ruling from Iowa's highest court reverses a decision the court made just 4 years ago.
It now makes it easier for lawmakers to limit or even outlaw abortion in Iowa. It's our top story at 6. That ruling stems from a lawsuit filed by abortion providers who challenged a 2020 law that required a 24-hour waiting period before a woman can get an abortion. A judge struck down that law in June 2021, citing the 2018 Iowa Supreme Court decision that declared abortion a fundamental right under the state constitution. The case will now be sent back to district court.
Planned Parenthood and ACLU of Iowa were quick to react to the ruling, speaking out during a press conference over Zoom. Now, the legal director of the ACLU of Iowa says the court's decision is a devastating and shocking reversal.
This is inconsistent with the way that most Iowans understand their own rights. We know that the right to abortion is essential to freedom, equality, health, and safety. We also know that the majority of Iowans support abortion rights. And without in any way minimizing the harm of today's ruling, I also want to emphasize that it did not toss out all constitutional protection for abortion.
Austin went on to say that it's important to know that abortion currently remains legal in Iowa. She adds that the ACLU of Iowa is committed to keeping it that way.
The communication manager for Planned Parenthood of the Heartland says the ruling failed to strike down medically unjustified barriers to care instead of sending it back to the lower court.
And if put into place, it would disproportionately affect people in already marginalized communities that currently struggle to get the care that they need. The waiting period does nothing to improve the health of Iowans and serves a narrow political agenda that goes against the will of a majority of Iowans who support safe and legal abortion.
The Iowa Supreme Court's decision means those seeking an abortion in the state must abide by the 24-hour waiting period. That means returning to the clinic for a second time, which healthcare services are now working to implement.